Hello, I'm Tim Martinez with the Disco Dish. Today, we'll be cooking chicken fajitas. Every September, we throw a harvest party and we invite friends and family over to enjoy the outdoors. This is my go-to dish to feed a large crowd. So let's get started. Now we got the fajitas in the disco. So we're gonna add bell peppers and onions. Now fajitas are a really easy meal to cook. Fajitas, we have the bell peppers and onions, and we just cook it till it's ready, and that'll feed a lot of guests. Now cooking fajitas is always a crowd pleaser. For friends and family, we all gather around, they watch me cook the fajitas, the pretty vivid colors, the smell. So it's just a really good meal to share with friends and family. You just constantly keep them moving, keep folding them over, and have patience, take your time. So when cooking fajitas, you constantly keep them turning, get the heat all around, but we want to get rid of this moisture here. All this stuff here is some moisture from the bell peppers and stuff like that. So you can see that we're doing really well, it's hot, and we're going to get rid of that, and I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. So we're cooking the fajitas on high heat. That's about as high as we can have it. It's a lot of meat, so we got to have a lot of temperature to cook through everything. Of course, you're constantly stirring, enjoying your time with friends and family. Keep an eye on it, but high heat is where you want to cook fajitas. So we've been cooking the fajitas for about 10 minutes now. And like I mentioned earlier, we're cooking down that moisture, it's evaporating, it's going away. Now we're gonna start cooking the meat. The meat's gonna start getting a crust on it, and that's what we're looking for. This is also a pretty healthy meal. We've been at it about 15 minutes. The moisture is going away, so now we're gonna really start cooking the chicken. We're gonna get that crust on it. Now, the question is, can you overcook fajitas? Well, you pretty much know when you're getting too far. But I like to put a dark crust on my chicken. I like a well-cooked chicken. Red meat, you can cook the way you like it, but I like a fully cooked piece of chicken. So we're gonna let this set here for a little bit. We're gonna turn it over and we're gonna see if a char starts to get on the chicken. That way we'll know we're getting close. So we've been letting the fajita sit here for a little bit. I'm gonna dig down deep, flip it over, and see if that chicken's hot enough to char now. And then we're getting some there. You can see the blackness there. That's a good sign. And then we're right on track. So they're looking really good right now. You can smell it. People are gathering around because they're hungry. So we're about to get ready to turn down the heat and start placing those flour tortillas around the disco. Yes. Thank you. Oh yeah, they're looking pretty good. So now that the fajitas are cooked, we're ready to eat. On a big gathering, I call the people over to the disco and we plate it from there. Ready? And that's the disco dish.